Welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd just give you a quick update on the progress of stripping the paint on the Elan. Progress is going to be quite slow, but as I progressed I found that the application of some heat, as suggested by some other people, has aided the stripping of the paint quite a lot. I just thought I'd show you in this quick episode the layers that are underneath the paint. And if we go around here where I've started stripping a bit more off, you can see it's a bit easier. Okay, this bit in particular, there's obviously the layer of paint, then under that there is this white putty like stuff which varies in thickness over the car. But down here it is quite thick. Unfortunately my micrometer's packed up, so I need a battery, but I will be measuring that to see what the thickness is. Now under that there's another little layer which you can see easier up here, and that is that bluey stuff just there, and that's quite a thin layer. Whether that was the original that was on the card out of the factory, I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, that needs to come off as well. Yes, as you can see here, there's the paint, the putty like stuff, which is a bit thinner in this particular area. Then you've got the other layer there, which here shows some scratches from probably the previous respray. And then under that you've got a little bit of other filler, grey filler, which is quite hard, maybe polyester filler. And then underneath that you've got the fiberglass. Up here, I hope to get to this today. Again, if it'll focus, to see what is under here is a crack at the corner of the bonnet opening that's cracked through to the paint, and underneath the paint you can see what I'm presuming is a crack in the fiberglass. I'll get to that sometime today. And okay, I've dug down and got to the fiberglass underneath this very thick layer of putty. I think see how thick it is there, but you can also see, that's the light behind the fiberglass, by the way. You can see that defect that's been filled and repaired, but it's starting to show through into the paint. So, and that needs to be redone. Now, I'm not sure what's caused that, whether it's just stress or there's been some damage. But if we look inside the car, if we can focus, it might not show up very well there, but there are areas that look as though they've been fiberglassed. You can see the difference between what I presume is the old fiberglass and some new. So there's obviously been some problem at some point. Right, so I shall carry on stripping the paint and going down to the fiberglass and see what else we can uncover. The next step actually is to remove the windscreen. The rubbers and the trim do need replacing, so I'll be doing that as well once obviously the paintwork's done. But up here you can see it's being filled with mastic by the look of it, and as we go along you can see it's all along the top edge in greater or smaller amounts. So that will be coming out very soon, so that I can carry on stripping. Okay, thanks for watching. Short episode this time, but you can see what I'm revealing as we go along. So please like and subscribe. There'll be plenty more to come. Thanks for watching.